A new program coming to the Denver area is working to help people at risk of becoming homeless before they actually lose their homes.
Denver 7's Ethan Carlson shows us how the Right at Home program could be part of the solution.
Sometimes a profession isn't just a career, it's a passion.
I have some experience with some family members who have experienced homelessness, and so I've seen how difficult and traumatic it can be for an individual, and also how hard it is to then get back into housing.
Jennifer Myers is with the Metro Denver Homeless Initiative, or MDHI, an organization seeking a solution to homelessness.
We are seeing a large rise in homelessness due to just the increased affordability issue in the United States.
And now MDHI is receiving some help and some funding from across the country.
We know that if you're really going to end homelessness, it's not just housing those people that are outside, but thinking about those families and individuals that are one paycheck away.
Ray Bramson is the Chief Operating Officer for Destination Home, a public-private partnership in Silicon Valley that launched a pilot in 2017 to see if they could limit homelessness before it begins.
Over 90% of the people supported through the program not only remained housed while they were receiving support, but stayed housed 2 years later.
The program is called Right at Home, and it meets people in their moment of crisis before they lose their home.
Maybe their car's broken down and they can't get to work anymore, but they don't have money to pay the repair bill. Or maybe they just need to move to a new place because the home that they're in is no longer safe and stable.
They customize support for each individual client, providing funding, legal services, and caseworkers. The money doesn't come from tax dollars, but from private donations and philanthropic organizations. And now they want to test Right at Home in 10 places across the country, including Denver and Adams County.
We trust the experts who know Denver, the people who live and work in Denver, and have been doing this for a long time.
They're sending $5 million over 5 years to MDHI, a group who knows the ins and outs of Denver better than anyone.
The data shows that this works, and it helps get people back on their feet, helps people become self-sustaining again.
Giving people like Jen another tool in their arsenal to help the community they care about so much.
To be able to help prevent people who are on the brink of homelessness from entering that is really, I think, really meaningful work.
In Denver, Ethan Carlson, Denver 7.